guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best smart locks. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the smart locks in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best smart locks on the market right now. Coming at number 6, we got the Eufy Security Smart Lock. If you can get past its expensive price, the Eufy Smart Lock Touch is an excellent smart lock that packs plenty of smarts and useful features, and gives you 3 attractive finishes to pick from. Compared to other smart locks, the Eufy is much faster to lock. It scans your fingerprint and unlocks your door in less than 2 seconds. Don't want to use your fingerprint? The Eufy supports unlocking with a smartphone app, a PIN code on its keypad, or by using a key. We appreciate that the Eufy is built with a stainless steel, fully waterproof housing. The smart lock also received high marks from editors at Consumer Reports, who said that the doorbell performed better than average in their brute force tests for kick-ins, picking, and drilling. Coming at number 5, YALE Assure Lock SL. For those in search of a keyless smart lock system, consider the YALE Assure Lock SL. It has an attractive and highly minimalist keypad that you can input an entry code into. You can also create custom codes for friends, family, and other folks you trust. The device even has an auto lock feature, so you'll never have to worry if you forget to lock it. This smart lock is another highly versatile option since it's compatible with Amazon's Alexa and the Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung's SmartThings platform. Basically, that means you can control it with almost any smartphone or smart speaker. If you're fine completely forfeiting your keys and looking for a reliable, easy to install, and nice looking smart lock, the YALE Assure won't disappoint. Coming at number 4, Wise Lock. The budget-friendly Wise Lock may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive smart locks, but it does offer an easy setup and clean design, which makes it more convenient to open your door and lock your door. Unfortunately, this option doesn't integrate with Google Assistant, but you can control it via Amazon Alexa smart speaker or with your smartphone. Our biggest complaint is how large its external housing is. It's about the size of a smartphone. Overall, the Wise Lock is well worth its reasonable $130 price point and grants users an easy way to unlock their door remotely. See the history of when the door was opened and grant keyless entry. Number 3, Level Lock Smart Lock. The Level Lock is a handsome and modern HomeKit compatible smart lock that's one of the few locks that doesn't look like a smart lock. It takes just 15 minutes to install and has a significantly slimmer profile than every other smart lock. It works with Apple's HomeKit platform for remote control and voice control via Siri on your Apple devices. It's also worth a mention that the Level Lock does not work with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The smart home accessory is available in 4 finishes, including satin chrome, nickel, polished brass, and matte black. Level also has a more affordable product dubbed the Bolt, which fits inside your door to add some extra smarts to your existing deadbolt. The slightly more expensive Level Touch supports touch control, which theoretically makes it easier to unlock the device by just tapping on it. However, the lock is extremely sensitive, so even the slightest brush of your hand will cause the lock to get triggered, potentially causing you to slam the bolt into your door frame. You also need to leave at least 2 blocks to use the touch feature for unlocking, so the Level Touch likely won't be a good fit for city dwellers who are within walking distance to shops and restaurants. Coming at number 2, Smart Lock U-Bolt Pro. The Ultra Lock Smart Lock U-Bolt Pro is one of the most versatile smart locks we've come across, a wire cutter top pick thanks to its clean hardware and low-profile design. This option requires a full deadbolt replacement to use. Which makes the Ultra Lock stand out from other options is the number of ways that you can interact with the lock. Users have a choice of 6 ways to enter their home. You can get in entry via a smartphone app, by scanning your finger, by entering a code on the lock, by literally shaking your smartphone, by having the lock automatically unlock based on your location, or with a good old-fashioned key. The Ultra Lock uses 128-bit AES encryption, so you can ensure it's safe. Its app allows you to conveniently see who has access to your lock and how, and you can add or delete users as you wish. We strongly recommend opting for the Ultra Lock Smart Lock that includes the bridge, as this accessory allows you to control the lock remotely. Number 1. August Wi-Fi 4th Generation Smart Lock. The August Wi-Fi is the best smart lock for most buyers. It offers an incredibly easy installation that takes under 20 minutes. It's reliable and fast to unlock. Since Wi-Fi is built into the August, you don't need to buy a smart home hub to enable remote access. It also utilizes Bluetooth, which helps lengthen its battery life. Although this smart lock is bigger than some other options, we don't think its larger than average size should be a deal breaker, especially since the device works with practically every major smart home platform. You can integrate it with your Google Assistant, HomeKit, and Amazon Alexa system. If you're looking for an excellent smart lock that lets you grant virtual keys to guests, see who is coming and going and when, and control your lock remotely, the August Wi-Fi is a fantastic option that easily upgrades your existing deadbolt. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best smart locks. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.